In this video, we are gonna focus on how to open TIFF files. So let's start. If there is only one page, you can use Windows, normal photos should be fine, and you can see the image, right? But let's say if we have a multiple page, how can we fix this issue? So if I try to open with the photos, I can only see the first page. And even if I try with the keyboard, nothing happened. Let's try with the paint. It's not gonna work too. So as you can see, we are only seeing the first page of it. The best app for opening TIFF file is Windows Photo Viewer because there is no installation needed. So if you have a look, you can see 10 pages of this image. So as you can see, if you open this up with the Windows Photo Viewer, that should be fine. Thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and like the video.